Hi YouTube, I hope you're doing well. Today we are gonna learn how to brute force an authentication mechanism using burpsuite on the damn vulnerable web application. Firstly, you need to set up the machine first, so there's a good medium writing about how to install damn vulnerable web app. So I'm using a Linux distribution, Fedora. You can use this page to guide yourself. The link will be in the description. Firstly, we need to start the Apache server and the MySQL. Now let's check. Yes, it's working. Never update the passwords on browsers, so you can read all this in your time. Today we're gonna focus on the brute force, and I'll try to make other videos with other topics like SQL injection, XSS, command injection, like or so. So in a brute force attack, it's likely that you're gonna try a lot of usernames and passwords, so you need a word list for usernames and passwords, and I personally use seclists. You can search from Google. It is this repo laying in GitHub. Daniel Missler. So we're gonna try a random thing here, and it's gonna say username and password incorrect. So this is a low security level brute force, and today we're gonna use burpsuite. We are going to use the burpsuite's browser. So the Intercept is defaultly on, so if I write google.com, it will get the request, but you see it's turning around. We need to unclick this so it can go where it wants to go. Let's go to our subject. So we need to catch the request and modify it, and we will use the intruder module to do that. Let's click the Intercept as on button and we're gonna write ASD QWER login. So this is the request that we are sending to the server. Now we're gonna edit these sections, username and password, and we're gonna send it to intruder with right click. Now let's go to positions. We're gonna use a cluster bomb attack, and you see there are multiple payloads here, so let's clear all and enter the correct positions, so it will understand that this is the first payload and this is the second payload. Alright, so let's go to payloads. So the first payload is the username. You can add word lists, username lists, but for today I'm just gonna add manually here. You can just add it or press enter. Sysadmin, just administrator. So we don't make changes in here. We can make other changes, like in the response. If we get a fail error or we get an error, it will do another try, make another try for it. So we'll go to payload set 2. Now we will enter the passwords. You can always load some password lists, but for today I'm gonna use password 1 2 3 4 6 and admin. So it's telling us this is gonna be 9 requests. Let's go to resource pool. So I don't use a burpsuite pro, so I can only send 10 requests currently. Let's start the attack. Okay. So here we are looking for the length. So the different one is this: admin 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is an easy BruteForce, right? But in a real environment it won't be that easy, I promise that. Now discard. Now the username is admin and the password is 1 2 3 4 5 6. If I press this button, it will not authenticate because the intercept is still on. We can see nothing's happening, so unclick that. Welcome to the password protected area admin. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.